வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனல். சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 2. இந்த மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 2ல் 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்கோம். இது வீடியோஸு பார்ட்டு 11லேருந்து 20 வரைக்கும் உள்ள 300 எம்சிக்யூலேருந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணி இந்த 100 எம்சிக்யூ நாம் இந்த மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி மினிமம் உங்களுக்கு 1 hour ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. அந்த டயத்தில் இந்த டெஸ்ட்டை அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் பென்னும் பேப்பரும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் டெஸ்ட் எழுதுங்க. இதோட லாஸ்ட்டு பார்ட்டில் நாம் ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நீங்களாகவே உங்களோட டெஸ்ட்டு ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின். The number of parties in factoring agreement: A. 2 parties, B. 3 parties, C. 4 parties, D. 5 parties. Second one. The rights given to the members of a company by the memorandum and articles of association is: A. Statutory rights, B. Documentary rights, C. Legal rights, D. Hereditary rights. Third one. The ordinary shares of first class industrial companies are described as: A. Green chip, B. White chip, C. Red chip, D. Blue chip. Fourth one. Equity or equity featured capital seeking investment in new ideas, new companies, new products, new processes, or new services that offer the potential for high return on investment is called dash. A. Unit capital, B. Venture capital, C. Seed capital, D. Nominal capital. Fifth one. The form of organization with main features like democratic management, government control, service motive, voluntary organization is dash. A. Partnership, B. Sole tradership, C. Cooperatives, D. Corporations. Sixth one. Horizontal analysis is known as: A. Structural analysis, B. Static analysis, C. Dynamic analysis, D. Break-even analysis. Seven. In a company, inscribed stock means: A. Opening stock, B. Registered stock, C. Unregistered stock, D. Closing stock. 8. Buyers are divided into different groups on the basis of psychological personality traits, lifestyle, or values. A. Geographical segmentation. B. Psychographic segmentation. C. Socio-economic segmentation. D. Socio-economic segmentation. 9. How many members the government is empowered to nominate for the governing body that manages the stock exchange? A. Not more than 3. B. Not more than 4. C. Not more than 4. D. None of these. 10th one. In Solomon versus Solomon case, the feature of a company established was A. Separate property. B. Limited liability. C. Perpetual succession. D. Separate legal entity. 11th one. Which one of the following audits is called as vouch and post audit? A. Statutory audit. B. Continuous audit. C. Periodical audit. D. Management audit. 12th. What ratio does capital gearing indicates? A. Between equity capital and right issues. B. Between equity capital and debentures. C. Between equity capital and fixed interest securities. D. Between equity capital and preference capital. 13. The reason behind the purchase from a particular seller is A. Product buying motives. B. Patronage buying motives. C. Economic buying motives. D. Social buying motives. 14. The bylaws of a company are in A. Articles of Association. B. Memorandum of Association. C. Prospectus. D. Statement in lieu of prospectus. 15. A special resolution must be passed supported by the votes of the members present in the meeting, which should not be less than dash majority. A. 2/3. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. D. 1/2. 16. Important part of a promotional program is A. Publicity, B. Advertising, C. Sales promotion, D. Personal selling. 17. In marketing, the delivery of standard of living concept is originated by A. Peter F. Drucker, B. F. F. Clarke, C. William J. Stanton, D. Paul Mazur. 18. A set of segments sharing some exploitable similarity is called A. Super segment, B. Product segment, C. Full market segment, D. Single segment. 19. What is the due date for filing of returns in case of an individual? A. 30th September of the assessment year, B. 30th April of the assessment year, C. 31st December of the assessment year, D. 31st July of the assessment year. 20. Which of the following is not a current liability? A. Creditors, B. Loan installment payable in current year, C. Temporary bank loan, D. Arrears of preference dividend. 21. Financial market is in essence are A. Money market, B. Capital market, C. Credit market, D. Liquidity oriented market. 22. No company started after 1956 can never issue A. Bonus shares, B. Shares at discount, C. Equity shares, D. Deferred shares. 23. In contract costing, material stolen are A. Credited to the respective contract account, B. Debited to the respective contract account, C. Debited to costing profit and loss account, D. Not at all considered. 24. The highest policy making body of the Asian Development Bank is dash. A. Board of Directors, B. Board of Governors, C. Board of Members, D. Board of Advisors. 25. Comprehensive liberalization measures undertaken to improve the supply side of the economy include dash. A. Trade and capital flow reform, B. Industrial deregulation, C. Fiscal adjustment, D. Financial sector reforms. 26. Dividing the net asset available for the equity shareholder for the number of equity shares is called as A. Net worth basis, B. Intrinsic value of shares. C. Net payment method. D. Lump sum payment. 27. Which one of the following is an intangible asset? A. Furniture. B. Patent right. C. Investment in shares. D. Loose tools. 28. Rights issue refers to the shares issued to A. Employees. B. Public. C. Existing directors. D. Existing shareholders. 29. The State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited commenced its activities in A. 1971, B. 1972, C. 1970, D. 1974. 30. Which of the following financial assistance provided by SIPCOT is restricted to project to be set up in backward areas of the state? A. Term loan. B. Seed capital. C. Underwriting the capital issues. D. Guarantee loans. 31. When central government directs to change the name of the company must change its name within a period of A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 1 month, D. 15 days. 32. Issue of shares certificate must have prior sanction of A. A resolution of Board of Directors. B. Resolution of General Meeting of Shareholders. C. The central government. D. None of these. 33. The term management accounting was first used in A. 1910, B. 1939, C. 1950, D. 1956. 34. TRIPS pertains to patents and copyrights where protection will be available for dash. A. 20 years, 30 years. B. 50 years, 20 years. C. 20 years, 40 years. D. 40 years, 20 years. 35. IMF created a special type of money to add to the reserve asset is dash. A. Special drawing right. B. Special deposit right. C. Special drawing reserve. D. Special disposal reserve. 36. The assessing officer of income tax may be interested to go through certain books, account, documents, statements of the assessees before finalizing the assessment of an assessee. This is called A. Assessment on the basis of return filed. B. Best judgment assessment. C. Enquiry before assessment. D. Self-assessment. 37. If a company has a fundamental deficit in balance of payment, it should resort to A. Exchange control. B. Devaluation. C. Inflation. D. Foreign loans. 38. Interest-free or concessional loan is A. Taxable for all employees. B. Taxable for specified employees only. C. Exempted for all employees. D. All the above are not correct. 39. The Constitution of India came into force on A. 26th November 1949. B. 26th January 1950. C. 26th January 1949. D. 15th August 1949. 40. The President of India can nominate how many members to the Rajya Sabha? A. 12. B. 4. C. 6. D. 12. 41. Which one of the following salesmen is not to contact consumers directly? A. Machinery salesman. B. Service salesman. C. Specialty salesman. D. Retailer's salesman. 42. Government securities and other first-class papers are A. Corporate securities. B. Gilt-edged securities. C. Collateral securities. D. None of these. 43. WTO was established in A. January 1995. B. February 1992. C. January 1948. D. March 1973. 44. The data obtained by a study specifically designed to fulfill the data needs of the problem, which is original in character or dash. A. Journals. B. Secondary data. C. Reports. D. Primary data. 45. The pre-testing of the questionnaire on a sample basis to identify the validity of the questionnaire is called dash. A. Survey. B. Pilot survey. C. Collection. D. Information. 46. In company meeting, proxy can A. Speak and vote. B. Vote only. C. Attend and vote. D. Speak only. 47. Notice of any resolution passed at a creditors meeting shall be given by the company to the registrar within A. 10 days of the passing thereof. B. 7 days of the passing thereof. C. 30 days of the passing thereof. D. 15 days of the passing thereof. 48. In e-banking, PIN stands for A. Personal Information System. B. Private Index Number. C. Personal Identification Number. D. Personal Information Numeric. 49. Commercial banks are not required to disclose information under Right to Information Act because dash. A. They are registered by Reserve Bank of India. B. They are not public authorities. C. They are statutory bodies of joint stock company. D. They are financial institutions. 50. Factoring means dash. A. Financing against bills receivables. B. Financing invoices without recourse only. C. Purchasing and or administering the receivables of a concern. D. Collecting the receivables and remitting to the seller. 51. The organization which has played a greater role in the field of education and technology is A. FAO. B. UNO. C. UNESCO. D. UNICEF. 52. In contract account, the cash received on the contract is credited to A. Work in progress account. B. Contractors account. C. Contractees account. D. None of these. 53. Identify the person who is not liable to pay wealth tax from the following. A. Cooperative society. B. Political party. C. Reserve Bank of India. D. All of the above not liable. 54. Modern marketing is dash. A. Consumer oriented. B. Production oriented. C. Exchange oriented. D. Sales oriented. 55. Stock exchanges are A. Free market. B. Spot market. C. Regulated market. D. Future market. 56. Examination of accounts and records done for specific purpose is called as A. Auditing. B. Investigation. C. Examination. D. None of these. 57. Offshore banking becomes much more easy by A. Unit banking. B. Branch banking. C. E-banking. D. None of these. 58. Net profit earned plus non-working capital expenses is equal to A. Fund provided by operation. B. Use of funds. C. Sinking fund. D. Source of fund. 59. A pipeline through which a product flows on its way to the consumer is A. Middleman. B. Retailer. C. Channel. D. Distribution. 60. The recent innovation which combines the features of a supermarket and the general merchandise store is A. Retailing. B. Hypermarket. C. Chain stores. D. Departmental store. 61. The secular trend has the growth factor or declining factor during A short period of time. B. 3 months period of time. C. A long period of time. D. Any period of time. 62. The earlier name of WTO was A. OECD. B. GATE. C. UNCTAD. D. UNDO. 63. The Wealth Tax Act of India came into force on A. 1st April 1957. B. 1st April 1967. C. 1st April 1977. D. 1st April 1987. 64. Which is the key element in the marketing mix? A. Product. B. Price. C. Brand. D. Package. 65. Resident buyer is known as dash. A. Retailer. B. Agent. C. Brokers. D. Wholesaler. 66. Share capital required to own an enterprise by a woman entrepreneur is A. 40%, B. 50%, C. 51%, D. 75%. 67. Fixed cost per unit increases when A. Production volume decreases, B. Production volume increases, C. Variable cost per unit decreases, D. Sales decreases. 68. Checking a few transactions selected at random from a large number of transactions by an auditor is known as A. Routine checking, B. Internal checking, C. Test checking, D. Continuous checking. 69. A director can be removed from the office by the central government on the recommendation of dash. A. Labor Tribunal, B. The Company Law Board, C. The Company Law Tribunal, D. The Registrar of the Companies. 70. The learning of a particular task facilitates subsequent learning of another task is called dash. A. Negative transfer of learning, B. Zero transfer of learning, C. Positive transfer of learning, D. None of the above. 71. Interest on securities held stock in trade of an assessee's business should be included in his total income as A. Income from business, B. Interest on securities, C. Income from other sources, D. None of these. 72. The difference between sales and variable cost is A. Margin of safety, B. Break-even point, C. Contribution, D. Marginal cost. 73. income from khadi and village industries is exempted from tax under section A 10 within bracket 23B, B 10 within bracket 23BB, C 10 within bracket 23AAB, D 10 within bracket 23BBA. 74. The rights of consumer under Consumer Protection Act 1986 does not include A. Right to safety, B. Right to choose, C. Right to purchase, D. Right to consumer education. 75. According to the Convention of Conservation, the stock in trade is valued at A. Market price, B. Cost price, C. Market price or cost price whichever is lower, D. Market price or cost price whichever is higher. 76. Moral advertising is a kind of A. Press advertising, B. Miscellaneous advertising, C. Direct advertising, D. Outdoor advertising. 77. Which of the following denotes a combination of various elements of marketing? A. Promotional mix, B. Product mix, C. Marketing mix, D. Distribution mix. 78. Which of the following is treated as capital expenditure? A. Depreciation to fixed asset, B. Repairs made to fixed assets, C. Modernization to fixed assets, D. Loss on sale of fixed asset. 79. Human rights education aims at A. Creating awareness of human rights and ways to practice them, B. Equipping the citizens to fight for their rights, C. Protect the poor and socially deprived people, D. Establishing protection homes for women and children. 80. Social education is aimed to A. Develop social change alone, B. Improve the standard of living, C. Create social awareness and develop social change, D. Eradicate illiteracy. 81. Banks lend against life insurance policy on the basis of A. The insured amount stated in the policy. B. Current surrender value of the policy. C. Bonus added to the policy. D. Premium paid by the policy holder. 82. Conversion cost is the sum of total of A. Direct material and direct wages cost. B. Direct wages, direct expenses and factory overheads. C. Indirect wages and factory overheads. D. Selling expenses. 83. Table A of the Companies Act is A model of minute book, B model form of balance sheet, C model of articles of association, D model of memorandum of association. 84. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by A. Shah Jahan, B. Jahangir, C. Aurangzeb, D. Akbar. 85. Tropical cyclones in China and Japan are known as A. Hurricane, B. Tornadoes, C. Typhoons, D. Willy Willies. 86. Sales budget is A. Master budget, B. Functional budget, C. Expenditure budget, D. None of these. 87. Perquisite and allowances paid to government employees posted abroad are A. Fully taxable, B. Fully exempted, C. Taxable up to 10% of the employee's salary, D. Taxable up to 20% of employee's salary. 88. The proceeds of asset not specifically pledged and the surplus of the asset specifically pledged are first available for A. Liquidator's remuneration, B. Preference creditors, C. Debenture holders, D. Unsecured creditors. 89. On the basis of which value shares are considered for investment? A. Asset value, B. Broker commission, C. Liability value, D. Intrinsic value. 90. Certificate of deposit is issued by which types of bank? A. Regional rural banks. B. Scheduled commercial bank. C. Non-scheduled commercial bank. D. Reserve Bank. 91. Industrial Finance Corporation of India was established in the year A. 1964, B. 1955, C. 1948, D. 1956. 92. ICHR refers to A. Indian Council for Horticultural Research, B. Indian Council for Development of Human Resources, C. International Convention of Human Resources, D. Indian Council of Historical Research. 93. Rupees 423 is written as rupees 324. The error is called A. Error of omission, B. Error of commission, C. Error of principal, D. Error of compensation. 94. The nature of advertising that aims to procure order through mails is known as dash. A. Direct action advertising, B. Trade advertising, C. Professional advertising, D. Industrial advertising. 95. Consumer Protection Act Section 9 provides for the establishment of a three-tier consumer dispute redressal system, namely dash. A. Local forum, state commission and national commission. B. District forum, regional commission and national commission. C. District forum, state commission and national commission. D. District forum, state commission and central commission. 96. Part of the issued capital taken up by the public is called A. Called up capital, B. Paid up capital, C. Nominal capital, D. Subscribed capital. 97. Income from sale of household furniture is A. Taxable income, B. Exempted income, C. Casual income, D. Rebatable income. 98. Income from subletting of house property is A. House property income, B. Business income. C. Casual income. D. Income from other sources. 99. An instrument which provides instant credit facilities to its holder to avail variety of goods and services at the merchant outlets is A. Debit card. B. Credit card. C. ATM. D. Traveler's check. 100. A debit card holder makes payment for purchases A. After 15 days. B. After 20 days. C. After a month. D. Immediately through his account. இப்போ ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டு உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கிற ஆன்சரை இதை வச்சு கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 1B, 2B, 3D, 4B, 5C, 6C, 7B, 8B, 9A, 10D, 11A, 12C, 13B, 14A, 15C, 16B, 17D, 18A, 19D, 20D, 21A, 22D, 23A, 24B, 25C, 26B, 27B, 28D, 29B, 30C, 31A, 32A, 33C, 34A, 35A, 36C, 37A, 38A, 39B, 40D, 41B, 42B, 43A, 44D, 45B, 46A, 47A, 48C, 49B, 50B, 51C, 52C, 53D, 54A, 55A, 56B, 57C, 58A, 59C, 60B, 61C, 62B, 63A, 64B, 65B, 66C, 67A, 68C, 69C, 70C, 71A, 72C, 73A, 74C, 75C, 76D, 77C, 78C, 79A, 80C, 81B, 82B, 83C, 84B, 85C, 86B, 87B, 88A, 89D, 90B, 91C, 92D, 93B, 94A, 95C, 96D, 97B, 98D, 99B, 100D. ஓகே, இப்போ கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டீங்க. டோட்டலாக எவ்வளவு கரெக்ட் வருதுன்னு பாருங்கள். அதை மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸை நான் பார்க்க முடியும். அதே நேரத்தில் என்னோடய வீடியோவை கொஞ்சம் எப்படி நாம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணுமா என்னங்கிறத நான் யோசிக்க முடியும். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.